Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025 to 2024 Audi e-tron GT. The 2024 Audi e-tron GT has been awarded the title of Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025, showcasing Audi's dedication to blending high performance, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology in the electric vehicle (EV) market. As a flagship model in Audi's growing electric lineup, the e-tron GT represents a compelling choice for those seeking both luxury and sustainability. Stunning performance and range. The 2024 Audi e-tron GT delivers exhilarating performance that rivals traditional luxury sports sedans. The e-tron GT is available in two primary variants, the standard e-tron GT and the high-performance RS e-tron GT. The RS model stands out with its dual electric motors producing a combined 637 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. This rapid acceleration is complemented by a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Despite its high-performance capabilities, the e-tron GT also offers a practical driving range of up to 238 miles on a single charge, ensuring it is suitable for both daily commutes and longer journeys. Elegant design and premium interior. The 2024 e-tron GT features a striking design that combines Audi's signature aesthetics with a modern electric twist. Its low, wide stance, bold grille, and sleek lines give it a powerful and sophisticated presence. Inside, the e-tron GT offers a luxurious cabin with premium materials such as leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum. The interior is designed for both comfort and functionality, featuring supportive sports seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a high-tech cockpit with a dual touchscreen setup that integrates the latest infotainment and climate control systems. Advanced technology and safety features. The e-tron GT is equipped with Audi's latest MMI touch response system, featuring two large screens that control infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings with ease. The system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The e-tron GT also includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition, enhancing safety and convenience on the road. Commitment to sustainability. Audi's commitment to sustainability is evident in the e-tron GT's design and production. The vehicle incorporates eco-friendly materials and utilizes a sustainable manufacturing process, reflecting Audi's broader goal of reducing its environmental impact while providing top-tier luxury and performance. Conclusion. The 2024 Audi e-tron GT's combination of outstanding performance, elegant design, and advanced technology has earned it the title of Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025. As the electric vehicle market continues to grow, the e-tron GT stands out as a top choice for drivers seeking a premium experience that blends luxury with cutting-edge innovation.